Short hair can be incredibly youthful and elegant when done right. But here's the real question: which cuts actually flatter women over 60 the most? Stick with me because I'm about to show you 4 short hairstyles that not only suit your face shape and hair texture, but also come with styling tips to keep them low maintenance and fresh every single day. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one can bring out your best features. Let's start with the first cut, the classic pixie. The pixie cut has stayed popular for decades because it truly never goes out of style. It gives you an instant lift that brightens the entire face, making it one of the most youthful and elegant short hairstyles you can choose. Many women notice right away that it softens their overall look while also giving them a touch of sophistication. For women over 50, the pixie is often seen as a refreshing change, especially if you have worn your hair longer for many years. This cut is especially flattering on women with oval or heart-shaped faces. The shorter length draws the eye upward and highlights your best features, like the cheekbones and the eyes. It frames the face in a way that feels light and fresh rather than heavy. If your hair is fine to medium in texture, the pixie is even more appealing because the short layers make it look fuller. The style creates the illusion of thicker hair, which is something many of us want as we age. What makes the pixie so timeless is the way the layers are placed around the crown and the sides. These soft layers prevent the cut from looking too severe or too sharp. Instead, they bring in movement and softness that feels feminine and flattering. The pixie is also incredibly practical, which is why so many women over 50 and 60 love it. It is low maintenance without sacrificing style, and that combination is hard to beat. When it comes to styling, it does not take much effort to make a pixie look polished. Applying a small amount of lightweight mousse at the crown before blow-drying will add volume right where it is needed most. This little boost instantly makes fine hair look denser and fuller. The natural shape of the pixie means you do not need to spend a long time in front of the mirror. A quick blow-dry is usually all it takes to get the style into place. A few minutes in the morning and you can walk out the door looking fresh, confident, and put together. For women who want something stylish but do not want the hassle of constant upkeep, the pixie is a reliable choice. It works for everyday wear, yet it can also be dressed up for special occasions with the right product or accessory. That kind of flexibility is another reason it has stayed so loved for so many years. If you prefer a look that frames the face with softness while still keeping it easy to manage, the layered bob cut is a beautiful option. The layered bob is one of those classic cuts that never loses its charm. It has the perfect balance of structure and softness, which is why it continues to be a favorite among women over 50. This style has a polished look, yet it does not feel too rigid or strict. It gives off a sense of elegance while still being easy to wear, making it one of the most versatile shortcuts you can choose. One of the best features of the layered bob is the way it frames the face. The layers fall gently around the cheeks and jawline, creating movement that lightens the overall look. For women with round or square face shapes, this is especially flattering. The layers soften any sharp angles and add balance, making the face appear slimmer and more defined. Instead of dragging the face down, the bob lifts and enhances it in all the right places. This cut works beautifully on medium to thick hair. Without layers, thick hair can sometimes look heavy, but the bob solves that problem by giving the hair shape and texture. The layers prevent the hair from looking weighed down, so it feels airy and fresh. If your hair has a natural wave, this style can highlight that softness in a very graceful way. The result is a hairstyle that looks effortlessly feminine, whether you are going about your day or getting ready for a night out. Another reason women love the layered bob is because of its versatility. You can wear it straight and smooth for a sleek, professional finish, or you can let the natural wave show for a softer, more relaxed look. It is a haircut that adapts easily to different occasions and moods, which is why it has stayed in style for so many years. Styling the layered bob does not take much time or effort once you know the basics. Using a round brush while blow-drying helps lift the crown, which adds volume where most women want it. A little lift at the crown makes the entire style look younger and more refreshed. Finishing with a slight curve at the ends keeps the bob polished without making it look stiff. The beauty of this style is that you do not have to spend half an hour perfecting it. Once you get used to styling it, a few minutes in the morning is all you need to have it looking its best. For women over 50, the layered bob is a wonderful choice because it delivers both style and practicality. It feels elegant but not overdone, feminine but still easy to manage. It is the kind of haircut that grows with you and never feels outdated. But if you prefer a haircut that feels a little more playful and gives the illusion of fuller hair, the shaggy crop is a wonderful choice. The shaggy crop is a lively, modern cut that can instantly bring more personality to your look. What makes it so flattering is the way the soft, choppy layers create movement and texture. This is especially helpful if your hair is fine or starting to thin, since the layers give the illusion of more thickness and body. Instead of lying flat, the hair looks fuller and more youthful. This style works very well for women with oval or longer face shapes. The texture breaks up the length of the face and adds balance, which keeps the look from feeling too sharp. The shaggy crop is also a wonderful option if you enjoy a style that feels carefree and not overly styled. It gives off a relaxed, approachable vibe while still looking fashionable and current. Another reason this haircut is so loved is because of its relaxed and casual feel. The shaggy crop never looks like you tried too hard, yet it still comes across as fashionable and current. It has that effortless vibe that many women want, especially after 50, when practicality becomes just as important as style. You can wear it anywhere, from a casual coffee date to a more polished setting, and it still looks appropriate. Styling the shaggy crop is one of its best features. It is quick, easy, and very forgiving. A few sprays of a texturizing product or a small dab of lightweight pomade is often all you need. By scrunching the layers with your fingers, you can enhance the piecey texture and create instant movement. This process takes only a minute or two, which makes it perfect for women who do not want to spend too much time on their hair each morning. Even without heat styling, this cut tends to fall into place naturally. This cut offers something many are looking for: a hairstyle that looks fun and stylish but is low maintenance. It feels modern without being over the top, and it suits both everyday wear and more dressed-up occasions. With the shaggy crop, you get a cut that makes your hair look fuller, your face softer, and your overall style more vibrant. Now, if you are looking for something softer that frames the face beautifully, this cut on our list might be exactly what you need. The one with the bangs. The soft crop with bangs is a beautiful way to bring gentle framing around the face. Adding bangs to a shortcut instantly softens your features and gives a more youthful, approachable look. Many women notice that it takes years off almost immediately. This style is especially flattering for longer face shapes or high foreheads because the bangs shorten the appearance of the face in a natural and balanced way. It works best on straight to slightly wavy textures, where the bangs can fall smoothly without requiring too much extra effort. If your hair has a bit of natural movement, the softness of this cut allows it to blend in nicely, making it versatile and easy to live with. The overall effect is light and flattering, without feeling heavy or overdone. For styling, the key is to keep the bangs wispy rather than thick. Heavier bangs can sometimes feel too harsh, but a lighter fringe blends seamlessly into the rest of the cut. To style, blow dry the bangs forward and gently sweep them to the side. This creates a natural, flattering finish that looks polished but never fussy. It only takes a few minutes each morning, which makes it practical for an everyday look. So, which of these 4 short cuts feels the most like you? Choosing a style that matches your face shape and hair texture can make all the difference in how youthful and elegant you look. And if you think this video helped you, this next one might do too.